It's maths time! This is our third video. What's the magic number? Yes, it's 3. Well done. We're going to start with a game of bingo, bingo, bongo. Bingo, bingo, bongo. You need either the sheet that your parents might have printed for you, or you just need a plain piece of paper and ask an adult to help, or you may be able to do it yourself. We're going to put a line here, a line there. That's 2 going down like a pair of legs, and then 2 going across. 1, 2. Mine is very, very wibbly wobbly, but let's count how many squares I've got, and that will tell you how many you need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 squares. Your next job is to look at the numbers below, and you've got to choose some of them. You've got to choose some of those numbers and write them in your squares. It doesn't matter what square you write them in, and it doesn't matter which numbers you choose, but every square needs to have one of those numbers. Press pause so you can see the number line and choose some of those numbers to fill up your squares. Do that now, please, everybody. Pop me on pause. I'm not going to play bingo because I'm the bingo caller, but your board should look something like that. None of the numbers are in order, but all of these numbers have definitely come from the line at the bottom. Are you ready? Eyes down, ready for your first number, please. If you have number 2, ding, cross it out, please. Put a cross on it. How do you win this game? What do you have to do to be the winner? What you have to do is make sure you've got a cross in every single number, but you can only cross them if I call them. Okay. 3. Number 3. Your next number is number 20. If you got it, then you gotta put a cross on it. If you got it, then you gotta put a cross on it. Your next number 12. Top of the clock. Next, number 19. If you've got it, put a cross on it. Next, unlucky for some, number 13. Next one is this one. Legs 11. Next, number 5. High 5. If you've got it, put a cross on it. Next is number 1. 1, fun. Fun 1. That rhymes, doesn't it? Next is feet on the line, number 9. Line 9. Next, 1 under 7, 17. If I'm going too fast for you, just press pause. Next is number 4. Down and along and down some more. That's the way we make a 4 more. Next is number 8. Number 15, not 15. Your next number is number 16. Your next number is number 10. Has anybody got bingo, bingo, bongo already? If you have, well done. If you haven't, let's keep going. 14. Up to his tricks, number 6. If you've got it, then you've got to put a cross on it. If you've got it, then you've got to put a cross on it. Your next number is 18. And the last number I've got here is number 7. If you won bingo, just shout bingo, bingo, bongo, bingo, bingo, bongo. That was terrible. You need to shout it louder. Go! Bingo, bingo, bongo, bingo, bingo, bongo. Good job. Let's count to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Jump, 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 stop. Spin, 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 stop. I can count to 20. So we've got very good at addition. We know from the ceiling to the floor, from the window to the door. And we know this sign, which is my mummy's grumpy arms, it means equal, all together. So we have used our fingers to count. We've used our unit blocks, which we used to feed the baby yesterday. So I've got some Numicon here. You're not going to use your Numicon today. I know that you've got some, but you're going to use yours tomorrow because you've got a printed sheet to do today. I'm just going to see if I can find the total of 2 pieces of Numicon. So what I'm going to do, I've got a big tray here. I'm going to close my eyes and see if I can find 2. I'm going to add this one. I don't know how many are there. Hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. And I'm going to add 8 and this one. Let's see if I can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12? That's a big number. I would not have been able to do this on my fingers because I only have 10 fingers and thumbs. Let's try another one. This one and this one. Okay, I've got 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to put them together to see what they equal. It looks like that one just jumped on that one's shoulders, doesn't it? Okay, when my brother counts these, he counts all over the place and then he gets confused because he doesn't know which holes he's counted, which holes he hasn't counted. So I literally go up and down, but I do like to fit them together first if I can. If I do it like that, it still works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 plus 5 equals 8. Did I have them the right way round there? 3 plus 5 equals 8. Can you remember 8? What number? 8. Can you remember 8? Which number? 8. Now I'm going to swap these round and see if it still makes 8. 5 plus 3 this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, so it doesn't matter if it's 5 plus 3 or 3 plus 5. The total is still the same. 5 plus 3 equals 8 and 3 plus 5 equals 8. Let's have a look at your Numicon paper. This is your Numicon sheet. So the shapes are the Numicon that I was just using. They're the same. So we've got the Numicon, then we've got this symbol which means plus or add, another piece of Numicon, and then this symbol which means equals, and then we put the total here. Now I can't move this Numicon and put it on top of each other, so I'm just going to count the holes while it's flat on the table. 1, 2, 3. My total is 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. They look like a pair of eyes, don't they? This is easy when the paper's flat and we can mark off the holes. Let's try the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down and around and a flag on high. That's the way we make a 5. Next one, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Across the sky and down from heaven, that's the away we make a 7. So I've helped you with those ones, but I don't think I need to help you with these. And when you've done those, I think you're so clever that you've got 2 sheets of these to do today. I think you can do that, no problem. That's just another way of completing some addition sentences. So you know the symbols, you know that you can use Numicon, you know how to find the total, you know how to record. Because I think you're very clever, I think you'll find that quite easy today. If you've done that quite quickly, what you could do is play a Numicon game, and that will help you prepare for tomorrow. So tomorrow we will be using the Numicon in our maths, but today you could just play a game with your parents. Your parents should say a number to you between 1 and 10. And when they say the number, you've got to find the piece of Numicon as quickly as you can. I play with this with my mummy. She says to me, I bet you can't find number 5. And I look through the box of Numicon and I say, ding! And then she checks. She counts up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got it. Then she might give me another number like 7. And I say, oh, I need to find number 7. Found it. And then she checks. Is it 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to double check. So she gives me another turn. 7. I think it's this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got it right that time. You need to start to identify which colour is which number. So I know that pink is number 7. We know, we've done this one just now, that 5 is red. So if you have a practice at that, you'll get faster and faster at selecting your Numicon for tomorrow, and it will be easier to join them together because you'll know which numbers you need to find. Have a little turn of that. You worked very hard today, everybody. It's time for us to put our sticker on. Here's my chart. Today I'm going to put a butterfly on Tuesday. Only 3 more left, and then I get to choose from the choosing box. Woohoo! Okay, I'll see you tomorrow, everybody.